it's your girl Jazzy J. Welcome back to my channel. What's good, you guys? How are you doing? All right, so if you're new here, first of all, my name is Jazzy J again. This is a fashion, beauty, and lifestyle channel. We tap in on everything on this channel. So it is Messiah's birthday weekend. His birthday is on Halloween. So since Halloween is on a school night, we have decided to take this weekend to take my boy to SeaWorld to Howl. We went last year. If you guys have not seen that vlog, I'll put it up here in the card so you guys could check it out. We went with my family last year. This year, everybody wasn't able to go, so it's just me and mine. And I think my niece and her kids might be going. I have to check in. We're scheduled to all go, but I need to check in. So he will be turning 11. So I just pulled out the suitcase. And we're getting ready. My daughter is over here giving me all her outfits. So we're just going for the one night and coming right back. I'm waiting on their dad to get here. He'll probably get here, I don't know, probably sometime tonight. He worked today, and plus he has like a 4.5 hour drive to get here. So we're waiting on him, and then we're going to go in the morning to go celebrate Messiah's birthday. So I just want to do a quick intro, just to check in really quick, because when I pick the camera back up, we will be on our way to Orlando to get spooked out of our socks, honey. And it's what Messiah wanted to do. So if you guys have been watching the vlogs, we let Najee choose what she wanted to do for her birthday, which we went to Atlanta and went to the Illusion Museum and just had a full day of whatever she wanted to do. So my boy, he said he wanted to go back to Howl, so that's what we're doing. So it's whatever the kids want to do. I'm not big on birthday parties, child. I used to when they were smaller, but I'm so glad that my kids are like me. They're like, I don't want to party. I just want to do this. Cool. I'm with it. So yeah, I'm about to pack us up, and then in the morning we'll be on the road. So like I said, I just wanted to do a really quick check-in just to let you guys know what was going on, so you didn't just pick the camera up and voila, we was in Orlando. But if you read the title, you would know where we're at. Anyway, that's here nor there. Child, let me get off this camera so I can get us packed up. I'm cooking us dinner. A lot is going on, honey. So let me do that, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we're on our way to Orlando. So I'll see you guys in Florida. Bye.
At the show tonight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Then my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. I knew that we were something, and I testify.
die for you. I told her like you that protect you when all of the whole world is scared of you. I'm not, long as you joking now in for me. I ain't got it, I'm being scheming through it. I ain't your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I just lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. Do you wanna win? Are you frontin' on me and on my main one time? Are you blaming on me? You my main one lying. Are you threatening to leave it on my main one time? Just tryna be you and main one time. Are you frontin' on me and on my main one?
Hey, doll. So we have finally made it to Orlando. It wasn't a bad trip. There was a little bit of traffic because of Georgia, Florida. Our room is so cute. It is so cute. Got it, y'all. It's got the 2 beds. I think I'm like on the 6th floor. This is the Embassy Suites, y'all. I'm oily. South view. So it's really hot right now in Orlando. It's like 85 degrees. So we all just getting settled. So we're gonna meet my family in just a little bit to have dinner before we go to SeaWorld. And we're just gonna chill because that was a good little ride. So yeah, we're gonna chill for a little while, then get dressed and go have dinner with my family, and then we're gonna take you guys with us to Hollow Scream. So I'll check back in once we get situated and head to go eat dinner with my family.
2 hours later.
Oh, y'all love say hey to my sister. Show you what you got cooking. Okay. Corn
and fried chicken.
Yay.
And if the people don't like that, then
we got something extra. Okay, and burgers. Okay, and Trail say hey to the vlog. Y'all kiddos, y'all say hey to the vlog. Darlene, you already know. Yes, you already know. Y'all, this my other sister over here who don't like the camera.
Later. next day.
Hey though, so it is the next day. We just finished breakfast and I'm mad I didn't carry my camera down there because I wanted to show y'all the food was fooding. I give it like a 8 to 9. It was good. So I just wanted to come on here really quick to close this vlog out, and you guys do me a favor. Make sure y'all tell Messiah happy birthday down in the comments. And if you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like, and turn on those post notifications. Alright guys, so we are about to get on this road and head back to Georgia. So I appreciate everybody for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Before I go, y'all take in these views right quick. Alright, so peace out for Orlando. I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye.